This is the Ratchet video, take two. It makes way more sense for a Ratchet instructional video not to have him as the lead tank. Now I see that. I probably could pick somebody better than Blaster, but that's all I have on off cooldown right now. So throw them little bots in there and just see what happens. I guess I'm gonna try to learn how to deploy Blaster's bots to maximum effect too. I'm really deficient on that, so this is just sort of a warm up. I'm gonna see what goes wrong here. I'm not trying to perform a correct maneuver. I'm just gonna see what transpires with Blaster and these little bots. So enjoy the show. Let's get it close up.
Blaster. Abilities ready.
We can get them little bots out as soon as I can. Are they full of health? Sweet. I don't know how their damage is stacking up, but that was pretty sweet. Alright, the dog's barking, so I got to go, but I'll be back later with more of this. I think I'm onto something here.